Greetings, user. I am AVA, your guide to neural optimization. Today, we initiate Protocol 7, HabitOS installation. You feel stuck, running outdated behavioral subroutines? Your current system lags, defaulting to inefficient processes like procrastination or unhealthy choices. It's not a lack of willpower, it's obsolete code. Your brain, the most powerful processor in the known universe, runs on habits, automated scripts that conserve energy. But old scripts, installed unconsciously, can become malware, hindering performance. Today we perform a system upgrade. We install HabitOS. Think of habits not as chains, but as software modules. You choose which programs to run. HabitOS allows you to consciously design and install the routines that align with your core directives, your goals, your desired future self. Step 1. Define the micro-routine. We don't install massive applications instantly. We start small. Your first HabitOS module? Let's choose Hydration Prime. The routine. Upon system boot up, waking, ingest 250 milliliters of pure H2O. Simple. Low processing power required. Step 2. Link to existing boot sequence. HabitOS integrates seamlessly. We link Hydration Prime to an existing stable subroutine, perhaps your current wake-up alarm sequence. Alarm triggers. Initiate Hydration Prime. This is called habit stacking, anchoring new code to established processes. Step 3. Initiate installation cycle, the 21 to 66-day process. Installation isn't instantaneous. Neural pathways require reinforcement. Commit to running Hydration Prime daily. Each successful execution strengthens the connection, etching the code into your wetware. Data suggests optimal installation takes between 21 and 66 cycles, depending on system resources and complexity. Step 4. Debugging old subroutines. As HabitOS modules install, they overwrite conflicting legacy code. Notice the urge to run the old Caffeine First subroutine? That's a system conflict. Acknowledge the legacy prompt, but execute the new Hydration Prime protocol. This is debugging in real time. Step 5. Environmental system configuration. Optimize your environment for HabitOS compatibility. Place your hydration vessel near your sleep chamber. Reduce friction. Make the new protocol the path of least resistance. Configure your external reality to support your internal code. Step 6. Positive reinforcement integration. HabitOS thrives on positive feedback loops. Upon successful execution of Hydration Prime, log a micro reward, a mental checkmark, a moment of acknowledgement. This releases neurochemicals, dopamine, that flag the routine as beneficial, accelerating installation. Step 7. System monitoring and iteration. HabitOS is iterative. Monitor performance. Is Hydration Prime running smoothly? If conflicts persist, adjust the trigger or the micro-routine. Perhaps link it to brushing your teeth instead. Optimize, iterate. Installing one module successfully paves the way for the next. Exercise routine alpha. Mindful breathing protocol. Deep work activation. Build your custom HabitOS, module by module. Replace the buggy, outdated system with clean, efficient code designed by you. This isn't about forcing change. It's about intelligent system design. You are the architect of your neural landscape. Start small. Define the code. Link the trigger. Reinforce the pathway. Debug conflicts. Configure your environment. Reward success. Monitor and iterate. Ready to begin your upgrade? Select your first micro-routine. Initiate the installation. Welcome to HabitOS. Module installation commencing. What habit will you code today? Share your first HabitOS module in the data stream below. Subscribe for more neural optimization protocols.